What's up, YouTube, man? Man, I'm telling you, it's hot out here in Texas. But the reason I'm here today because my sister gave me a call this morning, and it was something that I never really thought about doing. And she had, oh, what is that? But anyway, she was telling me, she said, "You know how you do videos?" I said, "Yeah." She said, "I know you watch some YouTube videos and how everybody always call you about recipes and how to cook this and cook that." She said, "Why don't you highlight some of your favorite channels that you watch?" And I was like, "Yeah, that's a pretty good deal." Cause I subscribe to a lot of channels. And sometimes I like to let them make about 2 or 3 videos. And sometimes I just like sitting back and watching them right in a row. And you know what I'm saying? I love doing that there. And I got some pretty good YouTubers to cook. But see, I don't watch like pit masters or chefs or nothing like that. I like people who cook from home, just everyday ordinary cook, just like I do. You know what I'm saying? Because when I started my channel, I was cooking for single men's and single women's. Simple recipes, not a lot of ingredients. And I'm gonna show you some my top 3 best of the best. Now, I got other people I subscribe to too, and I watch our channel. You know, it's just more than cooking, and then some are cooking. But I just want to keep the video short, so I'm gonna list 3 of my favorite YouTubers that cooks. And if this video do good, I might list 3 more. But these is my 3 go-to right here. Man, let's get into this video. Cook in general, ask somebody. Okay, now who's some of my favorite YouTubers? Okay, I'm gonna show you my 3 favorite ones. And like I say, if you don't see your name in this one, you might be coming up on another one, but here we go. Number 1, bam! Mama Ray Ray's Kitchen. Now, why I like this show, I mean, it goes old school. I mean, look at that easy garlic and butter corn recipe. Oh man, I mean, she got, look at that smothered turkey chops, how to make it, I mean, tell you exactly. And I like to sell the best oven baked chicken and rice recipe. I mean, she got that strawberry cheesecake, dump cake. I mean, I'm saying, boy, that is, I mean, desserts, I mean, and fish. I mean, and even she got a live chat. So you can go there and holler at Mama Ray Ray because she does live chats kind of often. And then she got a lot of simple, easy recipes. And I mean, and look at that. Easy beef and cheese enchiladas. Boy, I'm getting hungry already. You want something simple? Look at that. She got you covered. Look at that. That's an easy, simple pork and beans Frank's classic. And I bet you they does this because that's something I cook. And then, oh man, look at it. Now you can look at that. Cornbread in a skillet. You can't beat it. Old-fashioned cooking. I mean, this is what I like. So you check out Mama Ray Ray's channel. You know, I'll probably do a video. You know, I might be gone 2 or 3 weeks. But man, to get y'all over, I'm telling you, you will not regret watching this channel. I love recipes like this here. Now, we're going to move on to number 2. Okay, now we're getting to number 2. Who else do I like? Let's hit it up there. Bam! Oh, man, Ellen Homemade Delights. I'm telling you. Now, we talking about, you know, some hot water cornbread. Y'all know I love hot water cornbread. I mean, it got like drink recipes. I mean, like lemonade, how you make your own homemade. And she got a hell of a dessert channel. I mean, if you love desserts, you're going to love it. And then she got the food for you, too. She got that, oh man, that seafood gumbo. I'm telling you. And boy, I mean, look at that. Southern baked beans. Man, you just can't beat it. And all that stuff is from scratch and homemade. I mean, and she got some desserts just, I mean, it's out of this world. And like I say, she got the drinks. And if you still got, look at hamburger steaks and brown gravy. Man, look at this here. Look at that. Your biscuits, 3 ingredients. Man, you can't beat this here. It's just, I love old-fashioned cooking like this here. And this just, you can't get by. So, y'all got to check out this channel right here, Ella Homemade Delights. And she got a pretty good big channel already. So y'all check out. If y'all on my channel, man, y'all want to see something different, I'm telling you, you won't regret watching this here, all from scratch. Now we got to get to the last one. Okay, and now last but not least, another channel that I watch. Bam! This Housewife. Now, this channel here got a little bit more than just cooking. She does other things too, but she got a bunch of good classic recipes on here. Like you got that cookie butter cheesecake and this keto fried rice. Now, I actually tried this recipe. My mother loves it. Very good. Homemade cinnamon rolls, you know what I'm saying? Fried chicken gizzards. Now, she do like home Christmas tours stuff. She's really good at decorating houses and stuff. She do a lot of like shopping hauls and stuff. But I'm telling you, that chicken cordon bleu, I'm telling you, you got to check out her recipes. And, I mean, it's just a lot of good stuff on here. And then all that deep fried Cornish hen, that's the bomb now. Country style, you know what I'm saying, how to make country sausage and gravy. That is good. She has dessert. And then, if you really like saying right here, how to make pepper jelly. I mean, it goes on. And you want to see something really unique? Whoa, there you go right there. You ain't going to find nothing no unique than that there. Man, I'm telling you. So these are just some of the recipes, oh man, that I like. But oh, even how you can do your nails, I might get mine done. Hey, but anyway, this is like I said, these 3 YouTubers that I watch and I like, you know what I'm saying? So you know what I'm saying? I like a lot more now. I got other ones on there too. So don't just think this all, but these, like I say, these, like I'm saying, the top ones I'm coming to, and I'm gonna show you 3 more in another video. If this video do good, I'll show you the next 3. You may be on there because I like watching YouTubers like this here. So that's our cooking general picks right there. Cooking general. Ask somebody.